Your EasyStand comes with an owner's manual. If you can't locate yours, download one at EasyStand.com under free resources. The first step is attaching the front caster to the front frame. Remove the bolts from the front frame and use the enclosed hex wrench to tighten the bolts securely. Next, attach the two casters to the rear of the seat assembly. Tighten with the tool provided, and be careful not to over-tighten. Now we'll connect the front frame to the seat assembly. To help with installation, place a folded cardboard or block of wood under the seat assembly to support it. Slide the front frame into the opening of the seat assembly until the holes line up. Start all 4 bolts first, then tighten securely. Flip the foot plates down into position and line up the holes on the top of the toothed clamps. Insert the ratchet handles that are located in the bag with the instruction manual into the foot plates. Tighten securely. Remove the bolts from the pump handle and slide the pump handle onto the hydraulic pump. Tighten the bolts securely. Remove the bolts from the handle grip and insert the handle grip onto the pump handle. Tighten the bolts securely. Remove the ratchet handles and all hardware from the knee pad bracket. Place the coved end caps behind the hardware on the front column. Then add the plastic spacer and knee pad bracket. Affix the ratchet handle and the bolt. Be certain not to over-tighten the bolt that secures the hardware, or the knee pad will not move fluently. Repeat this step for the opposite side, then slide the two halves together. Place the knee pad onto the knee pad bracket and insert the 2 bolts before inserting the middle bolt with the washer. Tighten these 3 bolts securely. Insert the tray post into the front column. Note that the holes in the post must face upward. The tray clamp on the front frame may need to be adjusted to fit the tray post into the frame. Remove the bolt and the nut from the tray and place the tray onto the tray post. Insert the nut into the slot and the bolt in the hole. Tighten securely. Remove the bolts from the front pad and attach it to the tray. Tighten securely. Install the seat onto the seat assembly with the horn of the seat forward. For easier installation, pump the seat up halfway. Start all 4 bolts first, then tighten securely. Keeping the assembly together, remove the washer and the nut from the swing-away arms and attach to the seat assembly by turning the bolt with the enclosed hex wrench. Now attach the washer and the nut to the inside of the unit and tighten securely. Insert the back into the tubes of the seat assembly until the holes line up. Tighten securely with the bolts provided. Now you have assembled your EasyStand Evolv. Now is a good time to test the moving parts and tweak as needed.